How about your earnings?
Medyo,
Have your life
medyo,
changed or have medyo dumali ba yung buhay?
yes po.
Magkwento,
So,
anong
maraming
nangyari?
salamat po. Opo, coach. I mean, so, hindi medyo nag-worry na po ako nung last month kasi kung hindi pa ako makapaghanap ng work, baka ma-compromise na po talaga yung
Mm.
savings ko. At ayoko po talagang galawin yung savings ko kasi may emergency savings ko po kasi yun. So,
Mm.
kung magalaw ko yun, meaning magbaback to zero na naman po ako. Thankfully, hindi ko na po siya naggalaw kasi weekly po yung sahod na nakin
Kumbaga na pumasok na siya sa account.
hindi pa rin po ako nagsend ng invoice kasi okay pa naman po yung
Mm.
finances ko. So, next by this Friday pa po ako magsisend ng invoice. So, yeah, makakatapal na po yan sa mga naging gastusin ko. At
Kumbaga magkakaroon ka na ng a little bit leeway
yeah,
para
yes po.
okay,
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
good.
yeah, sama po coach. Yun po yung pinaka-advantage sa nakahanap ako ng work. At yeah, very thankful po, very helpful po yung journal kasi nasa-set po talaga yung mind ko na at yung self ko na maging positive throughout the day. So, I mean, big changes din po, hindi lang po sa career, kundi sa personal din po na outlook ko in general sa life. So, medyo appreciative din po ako ngayon. Hindi na po ako masyadong mainitin yung ulo kasi nung hindi ko po na-enroll yung course nyo, sobrang mainitin po talaga ulo ko. I mean, may isa lang din po yung sa na-observe ko. So, example po, kung papasok po yung mga pamangkin ko, medyo nag, medyo tumataas na po yung boses ko, pero ngayon po, I mean, na-apply ko po yung mga nababasa ko sa mga libro na
Mm.
pinapabasa niyo at yeah. Personally, marami din pong improvement sa akin at yeah, the road ahead is brighter. Salamat po sa course at sa guidance niyo po, coach.
Tsaka if you're going to look it, hindi naman ganun kahirap, di ba? I mean, di ganun kahirap
Hindi po.
maghanap ng client, di ba? I mean,
Tama po.
ikaw na yung tumatanggi eh. Eh,
Yes po, coach. Actually, may offer pa din po isa I mean, dalawa po sa OJP. Hindi ko pa anong nangyari. Ginawa ko lang naman is, I mean, may ginawa po ako dun sa mga tutorials nyo, yung pag-improve ng profile. So, in-apply ko din po yun. So, aside po kasi sa course, I mean, ang dami ko na po videos nyo na
Pinanood.
binabalik-balik ko din po. Oh. Positive side naman po yan. At yeah, sila po yung nagre-reach out sa akin. Ang problem lang po is, medyo strict po sila, medyo flexible naman po yung job, pero alam ko po na uh, uh, I mean, at some point, i-require din po nila na mag-render ako ng dito specific na time. At sa ngayon po, gusto ko po talagang mag-focus dun sa dalawa kong clients kasi um, pinray ko din po kasi to at ayoko po silang ma-disappoint or ayoko din po yung siguro ma-disappoint yung self ko. So, gusto ko pong i-focus muna dito. I mean, open naman po ako siguro kung mga project-based. Pero right now po, ang finocus ko po talaga ay yung course niyo po. So yeah.
I mean, I got your point, no? Pero yun nga, ang na-develop mo kasi is, first of all, you know how to find clients now. Uh, Second is, whatever happens, you have a routine to follow that works for you, no? You already have that routine, and I guess that is something that we can remember moving forward, no? And you are developing the patience of yun nga, when you put something like yun nga physics, 'di ba? When you put an action, there's always an equal and opposite reaction. So
Yes po.
what we do is we just applied um our our course. No, we apply it, and then we just did it consistently. Kung makikita mo, like with daily, 'di ba? That's the reason why I
Yes
wanted
po.
to do it
Daily po.
daily. And then you gauge yourself, oh okay, ito pala ganyan. And then syempre life
Focus.
will hit us, sometimes we get busy, something happens in the house, and we understand, no, we understand those kind of stuff. And but just to have like having a positive attitude, no, towards everything. Sabi mo nga, because we have like this journal. Every day we do journal. Every day we are grateful of whatever happens
Yes po.
in our life. That that something can help you, no? And it's a big growth, no? Na it's still just February. Sabi ko nga, it's just February, no? And we don't know how much you can earn after this month, no? Kung ilalagay mo, no, if you're going to put in Excel everything that you're going to earn, you will see how much you've grown, no? Not just in skills, but in your capacity to earn. No?
Yes po.
Kasi once na pumasok na yung cheque mo for your new job, you will feel it, no?
Yes po,
You will feel
coach.
it. And the more success you will have, the more salary you gain, the more confidence you gain because you already experience it, ba?
Tama po.
Parang alam mo na yung DNA, no? You know the DNA of success. You already know the blueprint. You have it in you, di ba? So kamusta ka? Mo, you
Okay naman
can
po. Masaya po ako, coach. Masaya po ako. Medyo not feeling well lang po ako lately kasi siguro mas na-stretch ko po yung self ko tatakbo. So, yeah. Pero masaya po ako, coach. At super thankful po sa opportunities na pumupunta sa akin. At yeah, super thankful din po ako sa inyo at sa course nyo. Um, ang goal ko nga po dito is, nung nag-enroll ako is dapat at least 3 months focus muna po talaga ako sa course. Pero for some reason, nawalan po ako ng clients. So, kailangan po maghanap ng
hindi,
isa.
kumbaga the course is application eh. No?
Yes po. I mean, yun po yung thinking ko nung at first. At then ko po I mean, hindi pa ako nag 3 months dito. 2 months pa ata. Magto
Mm-mm.
2 months. At yeah, nakahanap na po ako ng client. At thankful po talaga ako kasi, I mean, kung hindi po ako nag-enroll sa course, hindi ko po talaga siguro makakahanap ng client ng ganito kabilis. At client na super understanding din.
Di ba nakita mo, lagi ko sinasabi sa'yo, the perfect client will always be out there, no? The
Yes po,
perfect
coach.
client that you are wishing. Sometimes you just don't see them, you know? But they're there. If you will believe that they're there, madedevelop at attract mo kung sino pa rin yung dapat para sa'yo. You will have the same thinking, no? You will have the same attitude, the same mindset towards things.
Yes
Parang
po,
makikita
coach.
mo, parang mirror mo yung client mo eh. And that's the reason why I develop you from the ground up, no? Your mentality. Kasi hindi mo ma-attract yung matitinong tao kapag hindi ka matino.
Tama po.
Tama ba? I mean, hindi mo ma-attract
Tama po,
kasi
coach.
kung hindi ka develop yung mind mo, hindi mo ma-attract yung mga taong develop din yung mind,
Yes po.
no? So, kudos to you for by applying this lesson, especially the journal. It really helps.
Yeah, tama po,
Daily
coach.
journaling helps you a lot.
Iba po
And
talaga pag sinulat niyo po eh.
mm, iba pagka sinulat mo yung goal mo, you attract it.
Yes
One
po.
and the people who have goals, who have who have these journals, the more you put it there, the more you attract it, the more you understand that the people who have goals have bigger bank accounts. The people who dream high have bigger bank accounts because
Yes
they
po,
have
coach.
goals. Yun yung importante. So,
I think isa din po sa gusto kong ipasalamat sa inyo, coach, is because dahil po sa pinapagawa niyong journal is medyo um, closer po ako sa faith ko ngayon. Kasi
mm,
medyo nag-backslide po ako noon. At at medyo hindi po talaga ako nagsisimba, I mean, the last year. So, I mean, doon ko din po napagtanto na, I mean, kasi big help talaga yung journal eh. Doon ko po na-realize na all throughout this week, um, I was safe and sound. Hindi niyo ako
and
pinabayaan. At yeah,
and
and
calm.
calm. So, doon po ako na-realize na, ay, ilang oras lang naman yung i-suspend ko doon. So, might as well give it to the Lord. So, at
Yeah.
good thing din po na Christian ka, coach, kasi uh, inline po yung faith natin. So, thank you po, coach.
Yeah, and I'm really not saying na ako yung Christian na relihiyoso eh. Hindi
Okay
eh.
po.
I'm a mix of both eh. I have like that's the reason why I call my brand Black Panda Digital. Do you see the color of the Black Panda?
Yes
Sometimes
po.
it has like white spots and it has black spots, di ba? So I'm a kind of person that is mixed. Sometimes I think like Angel. Sometimes I do curious stuff, no? Hindi naman sinasabi
Yes
ko
po.
devilish stuff, but I'm a mix of yung humor ko kasi it's a mix of those eh.
Yes
And
po,
I'm not
coach.
and I'm not shying away from it eh. Kasi this is me eh.
Yeah.
This is me since childhood eh. You know, like syempre yung environment na kagisnan ko, and yung pananaw ko sa buhay na na-mold ako doon eh. And right now, because napagtanto ko, 'di ba? Ngayon ko napagtanto na habang tumatalino ako, doon ko na-appreciate more about learning, no? And helping and making an impact to other people. So, it's kung ano yung the thing is to summarize everything that we've done, ito lang 'yon, no? And I guess you will agree with me, and most of the people who will going to watch this. This is the phrase, no? Or the sentence. What you think, you become. Agree ba tayo doon? Do we have the same agreement?
Yes po. So, I
What
mean,
you think, you
natatawa po ako
become.
kasi alam ko pa na totoo yun eh.
Oo.
At
Di ba?
mahirap po yung paniwalaan before. I mean, in the past few months, hindi ko siguro I might find it corny po, pero totoo pala.
Oh, di ba? What you think, you become. Because what you think, you do. What you do, you become. Di ba?
Yes
And
po.
people will going to hate me saying the same stuff like, hey,
Mm.
you're such ganyan. Masyado kang hyper. Ganun. Pero
Yeah, so cringe.
it is what it is. You cannot argue with the law. That is a law. That is the law of the universe. No?
Yes
The
po.
more you think positive, the more positive happens to you. Tama ba? The more you
Tama
think
po,
of
coach.
negativity, the more you do negative stuff. You
Yes po,
attract
coach.
negative people. You attract negative stuff, things, happenings. So it's bottom line, no? What we think we become, and what we think is what we write on the journal, di ba? The
Tama po,
journal,
coach.
the journal is the commitment, no? Ng pag-iisip mo. That's the reason why I want you to write it down, because it's a commitment, it's your ticket, no? Lord, di ba? This is my commitment na I don't just want this stuff because I think of this stuff. I want
Yeah.
this. It is written.
Yes po.
And what happened is you can get this from the Bible, no? The word became flesh, di ba?
Yeah.
And the word became flesh, di ba? And dwelt among us, di ba?
Yes
Yun
po,
yung ano
coach.
no, di ba? Yun yung pag pumunta ka sa church, and the word became flesh and dwelt among us, no? Makikita mo yan sa Bible. It is written. It it has this, it we have the evidence, no? That it's written, no? So
Yes
yun
po.
lang. So if you are watching this, because this is recorded, by the way,
No
you're
problem
going
po, coach.
you're going to see this in YouTube, no? Katulad kanina yung we interview another student, no? You will see this, and I hope people who watch this, no, never ever doubt yourself or doubt your words, because sometimes sabi nga nila, be careful of what you say, be careful of what you ask, because it might be given to you, no? So yun lang.
Yes po.
So what's your plan for next week? What's your plan for the next 2 weeks before I meet you again?
So mag-question po ako, coach, kung papatuloy ko pa, I mean, mag-continue po ba ako sa boron letters pag-rewrite or should I go back to Matt Fury's blog? So, chapter 12 po ako ngayon. Hindi pa po tapos pero malapit na po.
I I I I think you need just for you to ano no, tapusin mo siya para magkaroon tayo ng history na natapos mo siya twice, no? Kasi pangit naman kung natapos mo siya ng 1.5 times ng
Yes
kalahati
po.
lang. So tapusin mo talaga hanggang dulo. then that's it. You put it down, and then we meet again, Boron letters after 6 months. Let's see what happens, no? After
Okay.
6 months, after we drop it down, we're going to read it again after 6 months, and then the next reading will be after 8 months, and then after 1 year na yung review. So that ganun tayo it's going we are going to do repetition, no? It's not enough for you to read it twice or rewrite it twice. To be honest, it's
Okay.
not enough. If you really want to master this book, you need to do it 10 times.
Okay po,
No?
coach.
10 times. Just one book lang, isang libro lang muna na ano. So that's the reason why we want we I want you to remember the book, everything that it's there. No? Gusto ko ma-remember mo yun kasi magagamit mo yun in the future, eh. It will
Yes
become
po,
your
coach.
tool, you know. So yun lang. And Math Fury, optional na optional. If you have time, you can do just like one in a day, okay lang.
Okay po.
But you have like you have so many things to learn from Math Fury.
Yes po.
Yun lang.
Yes po, coach. Yun lang din po yung sa akin, coach. So, magka-catch up lang po ako sa inyo sa chat kung may plan man ako na
Okay.
mag-apply ulit. Coach, applyin ko ba to or hindi, coach? Ganyan
Okay,
po.
sige, sige. Just send me messages. I reading them, but sometimes, medyo
Yes po.
delay ako because
Yeah.
I'm quite full, no? I'm
Belated
quite
happy birthday pala, coach.
Yeah, thank you so much, no? So, have a nice week. No, see you in next 2 weeks. You know the drill. You
Yes po.
can like schedule a call with me. You already know. It's better for us to meet. No, what na hindi Monday. No,
Mhm.
Tuesday
Okay.
will be good.
Okay.
Tuesday will be good. No, so
Okay
okay.
po.
Thank you so much for attending this call, and see you next week.